to the wheel and therefore creates pressure is so vital on that one lap. And Verstappen was struggling. This time without being compromised by Lewis.